This cabin would hold about 6 to 10 people. Most of the time they're going to be outside because if we didn't hunt, we didn't eat. Today we're going to have some beans, which would be typical, and in a little while I'm going to add some new potatoes. Those will be in about now. And then I have a deer roast, venison, and another roast. In this cabin you'll see the brick fireplace. The brick fireplace is one of the technological advances compared to the cabin next door, which is from the 1830s. This means that I will not have a fire in my chimney. Do you guys have water bottles? This is my water bottle. This is made by a Cooper. And when I go out into the woods, it's a lot easier to carry this. See how light that is? This is a horn.
Then you blow into it and it goes.
Yes, it will. This is how I would call people from out in the fields if I needed them.
We want to find out the difference between the schools back in the 1800s and the school that you went to left this morning. Okay, so I want you to look around the room and give me some hints by raising your hand of some of the things that are different in this room.
The desks are different than modern desks.
They're very different than modern desks. That's good. What did you get? We got a fireplace. What do you have at your regular school?
No fire.
No fireplace. Okay.
Instead of writing on paper, we have to write on chalkboards.
Okay, that's a good point. So most of your reading and writing in your math would come on this board, and you would hold it up so that the teacher could see that you did the work.
Blacksmiths were really important for two reasons, okay? Remember, if you were a pioneer, you could not go to the hardware store. So blacksmiths would make things, but they would also fix things. That's called the forge. It's about 2,000 or 3,000 degrees. It gets really, really hot. You can tell it's ready to bend because it will start to glow orange and glow red. With blacksmith-made nails, each nail looks a little bit different. They make them one at a time by hand. Okay, and they can make big nails or small nails. But think about having to make every single nail one at a time. That's a lot of work, isn't it? So when I pull this piece of iron out of the fire, it's starting to glow a little bit. We want it a little bit more. And you can pound that nail when it's hot and glowing.